Let's quickly learn how to create simple widget UI animations in After Effects. First, let's create a new composition. Then, select the rectangle tool and draw a shape. Set the roundness value between 65 and 70. Align it to the composition using the Ctrl-Alt-Home shortcut. Then, select the text tool, write some text, and align the text to the shape. Copy one copy of the text. Change it to 4350. Copy another copy of that and change it like this, reducing its scale slightly. Select the pen tool, turn off the fill value and turn on the stroke value. Draw a line like this. Turn on the stroke settings, set the stroke width to 44, and set the line cap to round cap. Copy one copy and change its color to green. Let's select the pen tool and draw a line like this. Open the stroke settings and set the stroke width to 16. Set the line cup to round cup. Then, copy 4 of the short line and align them like this. Then, change the stroke color of 2 of the lines to gray. Now let's move on to the animation part. Add a trim path to the large line. Activate the end keyframe, advance 5 seconds, and set its value to 85. Then, copy the trim path and add it to the other short lines. Change the end value of a few of them and give all trim path end keyframes easy ease. Now let's move on to the text animation. First, add opacity to the animated text, then add position from the animator. Set the secondary position value to 50 and the opacity value to 0. Let's open the range selector, set the starting offset to -100, and start the keyframe. Go forward 1 second and set the offset to 100. Open the advanced settings, select based words, choose Rum Up as the shape, and set the easy low value to 50. Then, copy this text animation and add it to the text 6000. For the other text animation, add the numbers effect. In the window that opens, after selecting the font style, change the text fill color to white. Set the decimal places value to 0. After adjusting its position and size, we start the keyframe. We advance 5 seconds and set its value to 4350. If the text animations are a bit fast, you can slightly increase the distance between keyframes. Before moving on to our second animation, you can check out the channel for more After Effects tutorials. Whether it's logo animations, motion graphics, or animation techniques, I'm sure you'll find the tutorial content you're looking for. For more, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, like the video, and leave a comment. Now let's look at how to create another widget animation. We open a new composition, select the rectangle tool, and draw a shape. We open the rectangle settings and set the roundness value to 100. We drag the heart icon we downloaded earlier into the workspace. You can easily download these types of icons from the Flat Icon website. Then we select the pen tool and extract the shape of this icon. We could have done it with Autotrace, but then the result wouldn't have been very accurate. After drawing the shape, open the stroke settings and set the line join value to round join. Change the stroke color to green. After adjusting the scale, set the stroke value to 50. Copy one of this layer and set the stroke color of the shape below to gray. Copy 2 more layers from the top layer, setting the stroke color of one to blue and the other to pink. Then select the ellipse tool and draw a small ellipse. Then copy 2 of the ellipses and adjust their alignment. Then adjust the color of the ellipses to match the colors of the hearts. Select the text tool and type 4350. After placing the text appropriately, copy one and change it to 76. Then copy another one and change it to 458. Now drag the other icons to the composition panel and place them inside the ellipses. Then connect each icon to the ellipse it sits on. Now let's move on to the animation. Add a trim path to the heart shapes we drew. Set the end value to 0 and start the start keyframe. Go forward 5 seconds and set its value to 50. Copy the trim path and paste it onto the other heart shapes. Set the keyframe values to 70 and 85. Then apply Easy Ease to the last keyframes. Now, scale the ellipses. Start their keyframes and set the scale value to 0. Go forward 5 frames and set its value to 100. Then copy this expression, click the Scale keyframe button while holding down the Alt key, and paste it into the window that opens. You can adjust the frequency and decay settings according to how you want the animation to look. Then copy this expression and apply it to the other scales in the same way. Now we will use the numbers effect we applied earlier for the number animations. After adjusting its position and size, we will copy the effect and add it to the other text. After adding the effect, we'll make their positions and text the same as before. There's a problem with the heart animations. To fix that, open the stroke settings, change the line cup to round cap. This video ends here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video for more.